Welcome to 436 Great Falls Lane in Palm Bay, Florida, a beautifully updated 5-bedroom home in the gated falls of Palm Bay community, offered at $387,500. Step inside to a bright open living room with a ceiling fan and plenty of natural light. The kitchen sits at the heart of the home, with rich wood cabinetry and a center island open to the living space. You'll love the stainless steel appliances and the generous counter and cabinet space for cooking and entertaining. The spacious primary suite is conveniently located on the main level, offering privacy and ease. A bright, well-appointed bathroom serves the main level with a framed mirror and clean, modern finishes. Upstairs, a generously sized junior suite is perfect for guests or multi-generational living. A flexible bonus space with built-in shelving makes an ideal home office or study. With 3 full bathrooms and a half bath, there's room for everyone, all with durable tile flooring. Out back, step onto the covered, screened porch, the perfect spot to unwind morning or evening. The home sits on a premium waterfront lot, with soothing water fountain views right from the backyard. Residents of the falls enjoy a gated entry, scenic park spaces, and a playground for the whole family. All just minutes from dining, shopping, and top-rated schools in this welcoming Palm Bay neighborhood. To schedule a private showing, call or text me at 321-373-3536. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty.